Tegat Davis, wonderful game by Arnett, down to 10 man in the game. Not the condition you would love to play Mount Pleasant in. Big game today. Tell us how did you get these boys ready for a game like this?
You know, it's just how we train. We try to play total football. And my coach, his staff, everything. We emphasize, we don't like to kick your football. You know, we try to play pressure football. You know, we try to we need to start getting up in the whole Jamaica. Heat up coming up, you know, so we can see more beautiful football. You know, I think we plan for this game. The style of football Mount Pleasant play, we plan for it. When we get the ball, we put it down and slow the game down. I think we could have been more clinical in front of the goal and more decisive in terms of passing. You know, overall, I'm pleased how the guys have played today.
One of the things that I like to see Arnett doing is to, you know, be more patient in the attacking territory, and that is one of the things that you guys worked on a lot. And the patience that you bring towards the game now is totally different, Arnett. Whenever you play teams, you pick teams apart and you create opportunities to score goals. Tell us about that.
You know, as we practice in one touch, two touch, one touch, two touch, one touch, two touch, you know, build from the back, one touch, two touch, you know. And that's what the guys, it must be their DNA. You know, if you're under pressure, you must know how to come out, you know. You want to enjoy the football. I think right now these guys are enjoying the football right now.
In the first half, you got a chance, but the goalkeeper really, you know, did a wonderful job on that. During the game, though, I've not seen the midfielder getting free balls in front of the 18-yard box, but not shooting.
That's what I said before, you know. We get some indecisive passes, when to shoot, when to pass, you know. It's like in 2, 3, 4 minds, you know. So we have to work on, you know. But then nevertheless, you know, we got a point here against a good team, very nice, solid team, you know. And I'm pleased with them.
What you say about the call though that the referee made with the red
I think, you know, I don't like to be the referee, but it's like every time we tackle somebody, Arnett, it's like we get a foul for most of the referees then, you know. And it's the same fouls the next teams them doing. One player number 9, 7 times before he gets a card. And we just speak to the fourth man or the assistant referee. Oh, we tell him, man, you don't do it till 7, 8. So you get a card, it's ridiculous. But such is football.
Thank you very much, Tegat Davis. Continue to put in the good work, and I'm telling you, Jamaica love to see how Arnett play.
Yeah, man, again, crime and violence. Must stop.
All right, my boss. Big up.